Welcome to WP Design Lab, your go-to place for smart WordPress solutions. Today I'll show you how to add an awesome WooCommerce gallery that lets you display products anywhere on your site and open product details instantly on the same page without any page reload. Yes, you can even create a product gallery just like the one you're viewing now. Clean design, smooth interaction, and no page reloads. You can download the plugin directly from my GitHub. The link is in the video description below. It's super easy to use with shortcodes. Just download the plugin, upload the zip file from your WordPress plugins page, and you're good to go. This plugin offers multiple shortcodes you can copy and paste anywhere. Filter by category, limit, featured products, on sale, or specific IDs. It's all there. I'm currently using the free Astra WordPress theme, and my products are already set up. Now let's try one of the shortcodes and preview the results live on the website. It works beautifully with Elementor and other page editors. Just paste the shortcode where you want the gallery. And just like that, your product gallery is ready on the front end. Let's test a few more shortcodes, for example, showing products by category or just handpicking just featured items. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, your team, or anyone who builds with WordPress. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more hands-on tutorials, plugin walkthroughs, and smart WordPress hacks right here on WP Design Lab. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.